super excited to speak about this person right now as a colleague, as a friend, as an educator, as a person. They consistently embody excellence always.
Cassell, my partner in crime, congratulations. I've had the privilege of working with you since my first day here at Foundation Academy, on the 3rd grade team together, and even sharing a homeroom with you, and I can't think of anyone who is more deserving of this award.
Hi Nicole, congratulations on receiving this award. From the first day I met you when I was interviewing at Foundation and was observing your classroom to today, you've always been a role model to me.
Hey Nicole, excellence is defined as the quality of being good or first class. And I made a list of all the ways that you are excellent and deserving of the Excellence Always Award. You make people feel seen. You have a very genuine vibe that just makes people feel appreciated. You are the Sunshine Committee at the intermediate school.
You're constantly going above and beyond your job duties every single day here to make sure that it's an excellent place to teach and learn. I watched you grow into an amazing teacher over the past few years. You push our kids to be excellent, you push our team to be excellent, you push me to be excellent, bringing sunshine everywhere you go.
You find ways to spread joy to our staff and our students. You are thoughtful and genuine, and you also hold students to high expectations.
You always give 110% of everything you do, whether or not that's just planning for reading or supporting every single one of your students. All our students love you so much because you're so fun and cool and engaging, but you're also such a wonderful coworker to have.
And they have been such a rock for me at Foundation on a personal level as well as on a professional level.
You ask questions and make getting better fun. You know how to work hard and to find the joy and humor in doing that.
You're always there for me when I need a shoulder to lean on and to be there as a friend, but you're also always pushing me to be my best for students, whether or not that's helping me plan chants in my own classroom or just bouncing all the crazy and wonderful ideas you magically always come up with. Thank you for always being so willing to share all your ideas and resources and being such a role model. Even when you're faced with obstacles and challenges, you always are willing to go back to the drawing board and figure out a new solution. I admire that so much of you, and it really pushes me to also be my best for students. Our students are so lucky to have you as a teacher, and we are so lucky to also have you as a colleague. Congratulations again on this award.
You're the first person to offer to stay after school or help with an event, and I couldn't be more proud of you. I'm so excited for you. Congratulations. We love you.
Your sense of humor is absolutely infectious, and I'm so thankful to have you on our team. Thank you for your commitment, and congratulations.
And I'm so thankful for this person and the fact that our kids get to learn with this incredible teacher each day, and everything that they do to push themselves as an educator and to push our students. Ultimately, they do it with love, with caring, with compassion, and with kindness, not to mention a great sense of humor. So I can't believe I get to say it. Nicole Cassell, I'm so proud of you. Congratulations, you deserve it all. I love you.